Hey everybody, Zach Cooper, National Sales Manager at Zoeller Pump Company. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about our new accessory we have, our Pivot Pak IS. In hazardous environments, one spark is all it takes to cause a world of damage. That's why intrinsically safe panels aren't just equipment, they're lifelines, keeping lives, assets, and the future of your operations safe. Designed to prevent ignition in explosive atmospheres, these panels are engineered with precision, tested under pressure, and trusted across industries. When it comes to water and wastewater management, a Class 1 Division 1 hazardous environment could refer to a pump station at a chemical plant, a gas station, airplane hangar, or any other location where flammable gases or vapors are present in the air in quantities sufficient to produce explosive or ignitable mixtures under normal operating conditions. To comply with Class 1 Division 1 intrinsically safe requirements, float switches must operate at voltage below the threshold for ignition in hazardous environment. Pivot Pak IS makes any pivot control panel installation intrinsically safe. Standard pivot panels deliver 120 volts to the float switch inputs. The Pivot Pak IS is an independent accessory designed to reduce the float switch voltage to a level below the threshold for ignition, creating an intrinsically safe installation. Now, you can stock any standard Pivot series control panel and convert it to a hazardous duty panel with this simple accessory. The Pivot Pak IS must be installed in a general purpose area. The purchase of a Pivot Pro and this economical upgrade costs less than what you would get purchasing an intrinsically safe panel of nearly equal features to the Pivot Pro from any other manufacturer. And in addition to our Pivot Pak IS configuration being a more economical intrinsically safe option than other manufacturers' panels, the Pivot Pak IS can also convert some other manufacturer standard models to intrinsically safe models. You're not pigeonholed into just pairing it with a Zoeller pivot panel. Lastly, it's one of a kind. No other controls manufacturer is offering an accessory upgrade like this. To learn more about our Pivot Pak IS or other Zoeller products, please visit www.zoeller.com.